Hello, my wonderful people. We are welcome to this live stream. Today's date is 1st of May 2025. Today is Workers' Day. All workers all over the world. Today is your day, and we are very happy that we see today. Please, if you are just joining this live, just like and share this like. And many things happening in Edo State. Many things is happening. And people are complaining that what is happening in Edo State, they have never seen this kind of thing before. For example, you have seen many demolition is going on all over the place. Many demolition is going on all over the place. People are not comfortable, especially those in the diaspora. They are not comfortable. So we are here to allow the people to know that look, there is a law in Edo State. There is confirmed law in Edo State signed by the governor wey dey now, and we have to know this law so that you will not be caught unaware. If you are if you live in a diaspora, you have a building, you have a property in Edo State, don't be caught unaware because where we dey now, we don't know it can happen to anybody. This one not mean say you be confra, you join this one, join this one. No, if you don't have property, your property can be destroyed at any time. So that is why I am here this evening again to allow the people to know the kind of law, this confra law in Edo State. I have made a video about it some time ago about this confra law. I made a video and I have to come here again to make another video. You have to elaborate about that law because we have to know this law. If people are saying the governor don't have the right to destroy the property. People say people are clamoring. People say it's good, and some people say it's not good uh, to demolish all this property. So we have to look the law that just empower Governor Okpebholo to do this. Let us look at the law. It's very important to know the law. That is why I'm here. So please, as you are here, like this video and share this video. Like this video and share this video so that we can proceed, we can start. It's very important. I have just one like here, which is not encouraging. Please like this video. Let us start. Let our people can join and we can start immediately. Immediately. There is no time to waste time. We have to know this law that is guiding the confra, guiding what is Okpebholo is doing right now. Many houses don't demolish. Akpako, Akpako. Which power you get, Akpako, to they destroy and demolish building in Edo State? Which power? Where do you derive that power from? So that is that is what we are going to look at this evening. Where did you derive this power from that you are using right now? Where do you derive it from? So let me like first. Let me first of all like. uh, let me like the video. Let me like first. Let me share. That is it. Because we have to know this very well. Okay. I have so little like here right now. Please like this video. Like, and let us proceed. Very important. Very important. Yes, I'm here. Okay. Let me look at it here. Please like this video as you are joining. Like this video. We have to know the law in Edo State so that we will know where we are. Mr. Dosoma Destiny, good evening. You say I'm funny. Okpebholo is destroying everywhere. When I see her now, Okpebholo is destroying houses everywhere. Operation Destroyer. Somebody that they say they talk, they do anything. See what they do now. Hey, the rescue, they say Akpako rescue. Akpako has come to destroy people's houses. So we have to talk, we have to know people, we have to let people to know their stand. Where you have to know your stand. You have to know your stand because if you don't know your stand, they can just come to your building and destroy it, and you will be looking. You have to know where we start. Let me do the stage. Uh, excuse me. Uh, let me see this. Let me see here. Okay, 2025. All right, we are about to proceed now. I will start immediately. No time to waste time. No time to waste time. Yes. Okay. I start immediately. Okay. We are all aware that what is happening in Edo State right now. What is happening in Edo State right now. So first and foremost, before I start, let us know that local Edo State get law, anti-kidnapping law 2025 in law. So if you live in the diaspora, you get property in Edo State. You have to know what the law talk. Those are the governor cannot just go carry bulldozer your property just like that. Then you not know what to do and what not to do. That is not good. So first and foremost, get one property that was destroyed. That the owner he have a very good chance to recover that property back. He get a very good chance to recover that property back. I know that some of you have seen that video. Let me play this video first. Let me see this video. If you see this video right now, this property that is playing right here, if you look at this property very carefully, you will see that there is one building here and there is one building inside. So there are two buildings. Now did this place, so two buildings. Now in the here. So the big one, it belongs to the father, while the small one, which is the boys' quarter, it belongs to it didn't belong to the son. Now where the son they stay, now be that. So the person will get this property, you have a very good chance to get your property back. No matter the what Okpebholo did, we went to destroy your house. You can get the property, you can get it back if you know what to do. But if you don't know what to do, you will be at a loss. So this house, there is two buildings inside. Two buildings inside this place. So as they go, you have seen they want to open this gate now. So by the right hand side, small building they there, which is the boys' quarter. And big one come dey where feed dey so. That place where feed dey so. Wey be like say coconut or like tree, I don't know. Big house na face that one. So as they open this gate so, you will they don't destroy the gate. Okay, you have seen this one like the big one that belong to the father. So the other one wey is small, wey be boys' quarter, e dey one side. So according to the father, he is telling us now that the small one, na the son dey, na that thing for happen. I don't know why they left that small one and they come for this big one. They also demolish that small one. They also put it down. But I don't know why they come to touch this big one. Because that son that do that thing, they live for this big one. That's why I'm telling this owner of this house, you can get your property back if the state government can compensate you, and you will make profit in this. Is this your house? This your house was innocent when they destroy so. But if to say now this place inside this house, inside this building, now there's something for happen, and they come pull am down. There's no problem. The house is gone. The house is gone. But even as at that, he still get K leg. Let me proceed. He still get K leg. Because if this issue go court now, the owner of the house he get a chance to get the house back. So let us watch. There is something that they want to put out here. There's one house there by the right hand side right now. One house there. Okay, this is the one at the left hand side. This is the big one where they decide. So, all right, this one is the small one. If you look here, if you look this place right here, let me put. Okay, this is the small boys' quarter that the son they stay. Maybe this. So they still touch this one. They bring this one down. So this boys' quarter is, if to say they want to demolish, they want to bring everything down. Now this small one, now they supposed to bring down. Then they will leave that big one, because not be inside that big one. Therefore do that. Therefore back that body what they say is son back. I don't know why they touch this one. They go see pull that one, that big one. That's not what the law say. That one not be taught the way the law talk. So that's one of the big one. You destroy the small one, you can't say destroy the big one. So the owner of this property go and look for what to do and get the property back, because what he did here is it's wrong. It's wrong, 100% wrong. If you, the owner of the property, if you know what to do, go and do what you need to do and get your property back. So back to what we are saying, the law where they Edo State concerning confra, concerning confra. Now let us look at the law one by one. I made the video about it before, so let us look at it again. If the person wey get this property, so wey they don put down, so they say they don arrest the son for Lagos and dem dey carry am come Benin. So if this matter go court now, the exhibit, this is the exhibit. The exhibit where the sorting take place, una don destroy am. So where una wan come show court say the sorting for happen, whereas the place wey for happen, the exhibit have been destroyed. I don't know. Edo State get attorney general. You have Edo State have attorney general that's supposed to advise the state government what to do when it comes to issue like this. You cannot destroy exhibit and you carry the boy now to court. I don't know how you want to judge the case. I don't know how the case will be judged. I am not a lawyer, but what I know, the elementary thing I know is that you don't destroy your evidence. You don't destroy your exhibit that you want to present in the courts. Don't do it. You leave the place where something will happen. You go, you destroy that one. You can't go and touch the other one again. That is not what the law say. Law not talk say where something will happen. Every building where did that place, they must destroy am. That is not what the law say. This one not be confirmed. This one they say ritual and kidnapping. That's what they say about this one. That one. Now let us go to confrao. In confrao, the law with the confrao. Now let us read it. I'm not the only one that will read it the law. Let us look at it together. Now this one is the confrao. Let me zoom it so that everybody can see it very well. This one is the confrao. This one okay. If you see the confra law, wait there so. If you see the confra law, wait there so. Now this is the confra law of Edo State. Now, if you read it, the section 12, 1, I want to mention 3 places of confra law with Edo State. In case if you're not there at Edo State, you're there outside Edo State, you're there, let me say abroad. Now you have you need to know what is happening in your state. So the law with your state, you need to know it very well. Let me like this thing very well. Let me write something here. Okay. Good. Okay. Okay. All right. I want to talk about 3 key sessions of confra law with the Edo State. 3 key sessions of confra law with the Edo State. So this one, one. We talk about the law and we talk about the implication, the legal implication about the confra law with the Edo State. See, as you are here, please like this video and you can hear your opinion. You can comment anything here. You are free. Now, number 1 is death sentence for cultists involved in fatal attack. Death sentence, and in the cultists that involve in what fatal attack. That fatal attack means if anybody will back somebody. So let us read it. Section 12 of the law prescribe a death sentence for any cultist any confra who action result in the death of another person. That is section 12 of the confra law of Edo State. Where February, February for a year, now they do this law. Now, he also said that also, if a confra assault, injure, or destroy property in furtherance of the court activities, they face 21 years imprisonment without an option of a fine. Additionally, the government will confiscate and demolish the convicted personal property. So this is where demolition comes now. So those who are saying demolition, why will we demolish? Why will we demolish? So this is the law. But in this law we have read, if you look at the dance part of it, it said what? Government will confiscate the property and what? They will demolish the convicted. He did the last down. Say convicted person property. So before you convict somebody, you have to carry the person to the court now. So now the court now you go convict the somebody that this this thing the person really do one. You have to take the person to the court first. This is the law of Edo State confirmed law. So it's not go you carry bulldozer, go person property, you put that down. No, nothing. If anybody you confess, say this person he join. Now the house, now they do something. You carry computer caterpillar go there, you carry buy. So you to now for Edo State. Fear not the let them even they say they want gather now for beer parlor. Say they want because they can tell you say that place that they use until they gather. That they use until they do confront. Even people will get business places now that you need to relax for evening, people will gather. Then they fear now. So that anybody now can you confess that tomorrow their business place don't go down. So the law it talks now say local. If anybody buy somebody or injure somebody, destroy property, when they do confront activities, they go face 21 years imprisonment. But before they say they want confiscate the property or demolish the property, the person have to be convicted first. They have to be convicted. You have to carry the person to the court, and the court will have to say something about that person first. This is the law of the state. Not be me they talk. So as an Nigerian of Edo State, you need to tighten your belt and do a lot of work. So in this issue of death somebody, let us go further. In this place, you say, what is the legal implication? The legal implication is this. Now, if you want to you want to buy somebody, let us look at the legal implication of it. Say the provision aligned with Nigeria Criminal Code and Penal Code, which prescribe capital punishment for offense involving murder. However, its enforcement could be challenged based on the constitutional right to life under Section 33 of the 1999 Constitution as amended, which limit the death penalty to case where the due legal process are strictly followed. So this one involves say you want somebody buy somebody, if you confront somebody, you want buy somebody. You cannot just carry bazooka. You just say buy somebody, you carry bazooka, you let her no. The law talks say no. There is a procedure you need to follow before that one can be take place. So you need to follow the procedure, especially the person still get right to life under Section 33 of the 1999 Constitution. So when you have this law in those states that concern confra, so you know what to do when the issue like this happen to your family. Because it can happen if you know happen to you, it can happen to your family. So you know what to do. Somebody just do property, you carry property like this, you like you bring am down buy. Okay, if you pay to your buy somebody now, you say like confra, you go your fail firing squad. No, you cannot just fail firing squad. The person have to go to the normal process before the law can take its place, because the person still have a right according to Section 33 of the 1999 Constitution of Nigeria. So that's what the law say. So in regarding the death penalty of a confirmed law with the Edo State. So let us look at number 2 of that law. So the number 2 of the law is this. It's what we are seeing on my screen right now. The number 2 said 21J term. 21J term for sponsor of a confra cultism matter. If it is sponsor am, whether na money or whether na anything, you take the sponsor am. 21 years. Now they talk. So section 5 of Edo State confra law it provides a 21 years imprisonment sentence for individual who they provide financial assistance, financial material, or anything. If they support confra, anything confra thing, they support them with money, with any other thing, then 21 years. Now the Edo State law talk go happen for that person. But it still have legal implication. It cannot just happen like that. You go just settle down to know. The legal implication is that what? He said this provision strengthen the state ability to persecute not just court members, not just confront members, but also enabler and financier, make it easier to track and dismantle organized confront network. Yeah, if you okay, I not be confront or I not join them, but you they give them money. If they want go any operation, you they sponsor am, you they sponsor the operation. Your money they enter. And there are evidence. This will not be say they just do not. You must get evidence. There are evidence to it. So if there are evidence to it, the law talks say for section 5 of those state confront law say you go stay for jail. They cool your hair for there for 21 years. 21 years, no option of fine. They're not no. You just did they cool your hair for 21 years. So there are this procedure of Edo State law. It good for some. It's good if they really follow on for to the main way to follow on. Not be vendetta, not be to use it to withstand political opponent. If a political opponent you not like him, then you, because of the law where they the state, you go your use and take oppress them. That is not the purpose of the law. The purpose of the law is to streamline and make Edo State, make peace day. That's the purpose of the law. But what we are saying now is that they are not doing it according to what the law is saying. They are doing it in another way, which is not good. It is not good. You follow what the law says. The law is very clear about this thing. So this is section 5 of Edo State Anti-Confra and Prohibition Law 2025. Now what you talking about this one? So in number 3 of this confra law, this is number 3 of the confra law. Now this is where it concerns so many people. This place now it concerns many people where whether you be confra or you will not be confra, this place concerns us. It concerns everybody. Whether you live for Edo State, you not live for Edo State, you don't live for abroad, now this place rob people, many people where. So number 3 say 10 years jail term for harboring a confra person. For harboring, maybe they can't stay for your house. They can't stay for your house. Now they harbor you. The government and shop owner, let's say confront the person should call the police and arrest them. Okay. Casto, I see what you wrote. Very good. So you have to listen to this place very well because it might concern you whether you don't know. Now let us see. Say section 6 of Edo State Anti-Confra Law 2025. What does it say? It says it stipulates a 10 years prison sentence for individual. It will not be confra person now. Individual. Whether you confra, whether you not be confra, 10 years you can go to jail for what you not belong. So that's what this place is saying now. That's what this place is saying. Now, and the place because it gets some loopholes more that can be exploited. Now it say section 6 stipulate a 10 year prison sentence for any individual who number 1 knowingly provide shelter to confront person. Knowingly, underline that word, knowingly. If you know say okay, this person na confront person, you can't give her a house, you can't make it a stay. They say wahala dey o. They say you wahala dey. This one not the only person wey be say e hand dey they go do confront. No, this one say if you know. Now that one you take good though. They say if you know. So it's not left for you to talk say you not know. You not let for you say, I don't know. I don't know see this person, confront person. I don't know. To say I know, I for not give am. So one excuse he did for that place. He give a room for you to have excuse. No, knowingly provide shelter to confront person. You go for jail for 10 years. B, allow court meeting or activities to take place on their premises. If you allow your premises, you can't allow your premises make dem use am take do wetin, take dey hold meeting, take dey do other activities. Na 10 years o, and dat your property e go turn to government own. So that is what related to Matthew Udorikeme. So that one na im rob Matthew Udorikeme wey dem wan use am take rob Matthew Udorikeme so dis one so, because dem no talk so now say Matthew Udorikeme e join. No, dem no talk like that. Dem talk say a property wey im get, dem dey use am take dey allegedly because court no, they never allegedly, court never talk am, say that they use am allegedly for meeting. Now this place they wan use am take rob Matthew Udorikeme. So this section, this theory now, section 5, no, section 6 of B, subsection B. Now they wan use am take rob am. So say any court meeting wey they can't do meeting for your place, they can't do any activities for your place. Now your place now, then they go use am to take do wetin. You do wey you get am, you go 10 years imprisonment, and that your property they go still carry am. You have seen it. So I even abeg make dem go amend this law. Make dem go amend this law. State House of Assembly, we dey beg una, make una amend this law. Madam, my mother, Edo Pride. Hey, good evening to you. Happy Workers' Day. I greet you specially. This a guy bill we get a bill. Say House of Assembly compromise blessing Agbegbakum. I beg make una go amend this section 6 of a confirmed law. When I go amend that again, you know good. You go rob many people. They innocent. We don't know anything concerning the something. You can't rob them. You know good. So section 6, subsection C, e say the government will also confiscate and demolish such property. Now this one, the one use and take rob my document. Now this one, they talk say my document, your hotel, that they use am, say they do meeting. Now we want destroy. Now this section 6, and they want to hold on so. Oh God, my people. I beg you. If the blessing Agbegbakum go and amend this section 6, e no good. E no good at all. Thank you, madam. Thank you, Edo Pride TV for life. Area Mama 1. So that is how it is. So we will be happy if this section 6 of Edo Confirmed law is looking into again. Make the look into this thing again, so that this thing will not rob many people in those states. Those people who are innocent, who don't know anything about something, anything will come happen to them. So I beg, make them do something about this section 6, to section 6, subsection A, subsection B, subsection C. You know, again B. So let us look at the legal implication of this section C, because it get many loophole. Let us look at the law implication of section C. The legal implication say that this provision introduce vicarious liability, holding property owner accountable for indirect involvement in cultism. Indirect involvement. They talk now say, if you hold property, they can't use your property to do meeting, or unknowingly you do not know, you can't give your property. If you know, you can't give your property to person will be confront, then you are indirectly be a confront person. and they talk. So indirectly, you are involving yourself in confront matter. Problem. Monday Okpebholo, Akpakomisa, Akpako rescue. You can't rescue Edo State. I be you get another thing where you can't do for Edo State. Me, I don't understand you again. Aye. So you are indirectly involving in what? Cultism. If you, oh my God. Now, okay, there is a loophole. Say, however, enforcement could raise human rights concern. To enforce this section 6 now, the legal implication is what I'm saying now. The legal implication say, however, enforcement could raise human rights concern. Human rights concern. Particularly regarding the demolition of property. If they demolish your property and they look like this, you don't know what you want to do. That's left for you. It's left for you because this place are making possible. You have seen it now. You have seen it now that look. However, enforcement could raise human rights concern, particularly regarding demolition of property. It's a human right concern because you have a property, you have a right to own property according to human right. Now look, affected person may challenge the law under section 44 of the 1999 Constitution. So if they do you any harm, you don't know, you there abroad, you there anywhere, your property, you know, be confront, they call it demolition. Now, section 44 of the 1999 Constitution, it cover you. It protects you against what? Arbitrary deprivation of property. They want to deprive you of having property. They want to deprive you of having property. So, if you, I don't know, Okpebholo and people are there that are watching right now, if you know what to do and your property has been wrongly touched, so you have what to do. You have to fight for your redress. You have to fight for redress because section 44 of the 1999 Constitution is superior to this confront. So it guarantees you, it protects you. It protects you against arbitrary deprivation of property. So government cannot deprive you of having property. People don't get me. So it cannot deprive you of having property. So your property is a property. Before your property can be demolished, there is a process that needs to be followed. They cannot just confess, they just confess you, they just do something, they just carry your caterpillar, they will go there, they will put it down without they not follow the normal process. That's not what the law say. That is not what the law say. So make una like this video, make una share this video. That's so your rich. That's so your rich. So the confront law we will discuss since we discuss section 6. Now this section 6 now it concern many people well. This section 6 concern many people, whether you join or you not join. This section 6 it like concern you. It like concern you because the property where you don't sweat put, you can just take am from your hand like that overnight with it on 1 hour. They will just take am from your hand like that. You seen it now. House where some people they build a house 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. Some people they reach 6 years, pass like that. The other 2 hours, they will just bring caterpillar, they will just pull am down. Without no cut, talks they make the pull am down. They never even carry the person. He go cut. They never even try am. They never even do anything. So that's how we people will talk say if you know what you are doing, you know your way. Something will be simple for you. But if you don't know your way, they will use you to do. They do anything with a lie. So Irish, this broadcast is scheduled for 30 minutes. It's scheduled for 30 minutes, and I passed 30 minutes now. Thank you very much, guys. Please, it's now people are joining, but we have said a lot of things. You can go back and watch this video so that you will not be cheated in the state. You will not be cheated when you are not supposed to be cheated. So that is how it is for now. Please, still have people watching here. Please like this video and share this video. So we will be discussing this little by little So we discussed section 12, section 5, and section 6 today. So that is the area that's more important for people to know concerning this confederal law of Edo State, which is causing a lot of problem, a lot of crime in Edo State right now, which is not supposed to be. So, Mr. Humphrey, thank you. You are just joining, but now I am leaving. So, like this video and share this video. So, we will see you again by God's grace. Bye for now. I love you all.